Yeah.
Yo, what's going on, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. How everybody doing? Alright, I don't like doing this, but yeah, this motherfucker hating. But it is what it is. It's content. Right now, I'm on my way to the dealer. It's kind of late, dropping it off late, so they just get to it in the morning. So I don't have time to do it during the day. So I'm dropping the car to the dealer right now to get service. The motor is either the lifters or the cam is fucked up, or both. But the motor's not sounding too good. I am able to drive it. I was gonna get it towed all the way from my house because I live pretty far, at least like 45 minutes from the dealer. So I just took the risk of driving it and said whatever. Yeah, it is what it is. So I got my boy Suge behind me in the Charger. So I'm on my way up there now. I'm about like 10 minutes away, maybe. So when we get to work done tonight, of course, it's late. So I'll be there shortly. I won't be continuing the video from today, so it's going to start from probably tomorrow because I'm going to go back up there just to get a word with him and probably give him the key, because I don't think I'm going to leave the key with them because ain't nobody probably going to be there. So come back up there, give them the key so they can do whatever they got to do with it, check it out, whatever. Hopefully they drop a new motor here. Unfortunately, this will be my fucking 4th motor on this fucking car, which is sad. But I didn't put so much money into this car. And I do have a warranty, so that's a good thing. So hopefully my warranty covers the motor. If not, forget the 5.7. I'm just going to drop either a 6.1 or a 6.1 motor that's going to be worked. It's not going to be no stock 6.1 motor. That way I ain't got to change my trans and nothing like that. There's nothing wrong with my trans at all. But I'm it's either that or a 6.4. I don't want to do a 6.4 because the bottom end is terrible on them. The 6.1s is like, I don't know, they're like amazing. Like they hold up. And you got aluminum intake manifold, so that if I wanted to run boost, I'll be perfectly fine. So therefore, I'm almost there. I'll get back to y'all soon, which will be tomorrow. So just stay tuned for the rest of the video. And make sure I like, comment, and subscribe. And then see what happens next. I mean, y'all hear it when I hear it. We're at the dealer. Well, we're not there yet, but just the dealer. Y'all want to check them out, man. Go buy a Mopar, go to them. They changed my motor 2 or 3 times already. 2 times. So I fuck with the service department. My guy Sean. If you ever need your car service and you're in Philadelphia, go to Sean at Barbara's Auto Land. And he'll get you right, man. He'll hook you up. That's my guy. I trust him. 100%, you hear me? Alright, so here we at the dealer. Just dropped it off. I'm about to see what's up real quick. Bro, because to the boulevard, bro. That shit is terrible. I'm gonna miss my baby. That's the service department. Let's see if it's open here. Oh yeah, it's open. I'll let them see what's going on. Alright, y'all. I just dropped my keys off. At Barbara's Auto Land. So we're gonna wait and see the confirmation, what they're gonna say about the motor, if it's good or if they can fix it, or if they're just gonna put a whole new motor in it, or they're not gonna cover the warranty. On one way to find out. We waiting for this phone call, like I said in the last little part. You're gonna see. Gotta stay tuned. Ain't really too much to say tonight. You're gonna see tomorrow morning or tomorrow afternoon. As soon as my guy's showing it in, he gonna call me. See what's up. Punk ass motherfucker. That's my boy Suge, man. I mean, I follow him on the gram. At him, he Suge, alright? Yeah. You gonna see what's going from here, alright? For sure. You got this one.
That's a cat?
Yeah, it's a widebody. No, it's not. No, it's not. No, it ain't a cat.
Weekend, bro.
This is nuts. I don't know. Oh, damn. Shit.
Fuck you saying oh shit for?
Because you couldn't go out there.
Damn, nigga.
Yeah, I forgot they block it off.
Oh, I forgot they block it off, nigga.
Yeah, them nobody stealing shit no more. See, I like that. You can't steal shit from here, nigga. I'm secure. They ain't gonna steal my page. He's not driving that young bull.
What?
Can't drive this shit. So you go back up where we came from.
No shit.
Dirty ass, ugly ass young bull.
Bitch ass nigga. You told you crying about your shit, nigga. I ain't have my.
Oh my god.
I ain't have my shit.
That's your fault. You crashed, not me.
Fuck you, nigga.
My baby. I'll see you soon, boo. I miss you.
Man, nigga, you went my way like a motherfucker. Fuck, you gonna stop me?
They got the toys out here though. Toys. You gotta make a right come back around. That's bullshit shit, man. They got them toys, the 2021 Ram. They got the TRX though. Look how that G can just sit there like that, bro. What the fuck?
Shit. I gotta make a U-turn, bro.
Yeah.
Damn, nigga.
I mean, you can make a right on the block and just go that way. Just make a right. State trooper on his ass. Chill out, Steady. That ass.
That's all I have.
Yeah, like he switched lanes. He went all over here. Look at it, he drawing.
Bro, I don't know what's wrong with this nigga,
Oh, let us cut up though. Let us cut up. I would do a beam fucking 30 back past that nigga. Just keep going. He not gonna catch you. He won't, bro. Alright, y'all, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel again. This is the second half to the video, whatever you want to call it. Got my boy with me. Crazy. But yeah, this is the second half to the video. I'm on way up to the dealer now. They still ain't pulled my car in yet because the guy that's actually working on my car is the same guy that replaced the motor before, so he had quit. The last time I went up there and he wasn't there, so I get a DM on my Instagram saying that he back working there and he got the ticket for my car, so he gonna be working on it again. That's love. So unfortunately, I gave my key fob and without the key on it, and my battery died. Which one of my halo rings is messed up, so it's running consistently and it's not cutting off. I don't know why, but it's killing my battery. So the car died. So now I'm on my way up there now to drop the other key fob off with the key in it, so you can use to get in the vehicle. So I guess I'll be hearing something back maybe tomorrow. I don't know, or sometime this week. I'm not in no rush. Like I said, I got other vehicles I'm driving or drive. I mean, but I am going to take the rental that they gonna offer me once they fully know exactly what's going to be going on. Ain't really nothing else to say for right now. I'm almost there. I'm like up the street, like 2 blocks away. So hopefully they got They gonna know what's going on. We're just gonna go from there. We're just gonna see. Stay tuned. As y'all can see, we are pulling up to the dealer now. We're at Gary Barbera's. Oh, shit, that wasn't like that yesterday. My guys. Got Sean.
Sean here.
Not Uncle Sean. Not Uncle Sean. She got the Snizax. See? Got the new 2021 Ram right there. Okay. Walking. Sean, what's up, buddy?
And it's on their paperwork. They do know. It's on their paperwork. I'll be right back.
What's up, buddy?
What's up, buddy?
Alright. Alright, so I'm here. I'm waiting on my guy, Nick. Gotta see what's going on. I'm gonna go grab him real quick. The bear looking luxurious as usual, man. Got my guy Nick right here, man. What's up, buddy? How you?
What's up?
Alright, y'all, so yeah, I had to talk some confidential shit with him. I just talked to my guy, Nick. As soon as I asked him, I'm like, yo, let me talk to you outside real quick. He's like, the headers. I'm like, how the fuck do you know that? So, in the midst of them right doing the whole work, I'm gonna get him to put the headers in if they gotta change the motor. So, it's a 2-for-1 special, basically. So now I just gotta, I just probably gotta order the catless mid pipes. They're only $300, so I might just go order them and just get it out the way. So hopefully they'll be here by then. I'm gonna see. If not, if they can be, I'll drive up to HHP and just pick them up. But definitely, if you can do that, I'll do that. And just go for it. Fuck it. Go for it. So you get out the car. Huh? The internet? Alright, let me hook it up to my phone. Let me get back to y'all soon, man. Like I told y'all, this is part 2 of the video. Again, there's probably gonna be another part 2, probably a whole nother video. I'm gonna probably end it right here. As y'all know, I'm at Gary Barbera's on the Boulevard in Philadelphia. You wanna come down here, you need a shirt car service, check out my boy Sean at Service. The black guy, he is the second from the last on the right hand side. His name is Sean. Tell him Godzilla Lil sent you. You know exactly what you're talking about. He'll get you right. He'll get your car done right. Never had an issue. So, you with me? Tell him, buddy.
Subscribe and make it to 1 million subscribers.
All the way up. Make sure I like, comment, and subscribe, baby. Hit that bell. Get at me soon. I'll see y'all soon.